started as a entry-level engineer where my sole purpose was the solar simulator on the end of the production line. And then the company saw tremendous growth. In my career, I kind of gravitated towards the problems, which allowed me to branch out into different areas. As I worked on those different problems, I learned new skills and learned new areas, and then got pulled into those areas and took on more responsibility. That's an excellent way to get career growth at First Solar, to be inquisitive, to want to be involved in the things that are hard and solve problems, make the company move forward.
When I first started at First Solar, I was trained by the operators on doing all sorts of different jobs and rotated so that way you're not at the same job for, the 12 hours. I watched other employees kind of move around a little bit. So I went to my supervisor and I said, hey, look, I want to learn more about the processes. I learned different quality aspects and the understanding of where some of these defects came from, and learning a little bit about the defects that came through the areas. And then there was a job that opened for quality. So I went into like 2 other departments and I learned more of the processes, and it was a great experience.
Well, the job I was doing was just production manufacturing, which we were just in charge of getting all the panels together and shipping them out. And now I got promoted into the coder tech, which that's where the whole process starts of the solar panels. It was actually during COVID and we were short-handed. And it just was nice that other supervisors were able to see that I was putting the work that needed to be done. The coder tech supervisor at the time came up to me and asked me if I would be interested in becoming a coder tech. And I agreed. I went to break, and the first thing I did was call my wife and let her know that I got a promotion. It was just step forward into better things for us.
I think with my year within First Solar, my biggest accomplishment is getting my Tech 3. To get the Tech 3 promotion, I worked to learn as much of pack out as I could, and learning the most of production, working with everyone as a team, and always having the goals in mind. I did move from nights to days, and it was a really good move. After only a year of being here, taking on a leadership role is really amazing. The company really does move us up when we do good work.